Start by lifting the wiper blade off the glass. This will want to spin just this far. Continue rotating it, and it'll slide out. Take note that there's pins on one side of the main connecting rod and not the other. Those pins are going to go towards the inside. Be sure to clean the window before you put the new blade on. There's no point in putting that new blade on if you're just going to sandpaper it with the dirt that's on this window. Don't be afraid to clean the wiper arm off too. Dirt gets in here and it never gets cleaned out. Compare the old and new wiper blades, make sure they match up. Make sure you have the pins facing the right way. These are going to face down, and then you put the wiper arm into this hole. Guide the wiper into the wiper arm this way, then rotate it into place. It's going to resist a little bit, shouldn't take a whole lot of force though. Make sure it pivots back and forth, and you're all set.